Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Woodstock local and long-distance movers near me. When you need a cheap Woodstock moving company, you need 3 Movers to help you. Our team of local and long-distance movers can make it easier to relocate, no matter how far you need to go. We offer moving services to cover commercial and residential moves, along with military relocation. No matter what type of items you need to move, our team can make it super easy for you. Getting the right long-distance moving services from us includes options such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating can become much easier when you hire us to do the hard work for you. It's easy to relocate with our full-service moving options. Let us help you move 100 miles away, 1,000 miles away, or even further. Getting the right Canada moving company for your local move will make a difference. Good local movers will take care of all the heavy lifting so you don't have to worry as much. 3 Movers offers the best options to help you move without all the hard work. We streamline the entire process to get you to your new location faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Woodstock moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.